Welcome back everyone to the official Uniburo YouTube channel. I'm your host Mitchell, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to find out whether Salesforce is actually down or if it's just you. So right here I'm about to log in into my Salesforce. If I click login, it's going to be loading for a very long time. And if I wait long enough, I'm going to get to this screen over here where it says the site can't be reached, there's some problem. So now I got to think, well, what's wrong? Is my internet down? Maybe it's something wrong with, my internet, maybe it's my internal server, or maybe it's Salesforce. How do I find out? Well, a good way to do that is if I go into a new tab and I go to status.salesforce.com. This is a website that will tell you, run by Salesforce, about any current incidents or maintenance going on. So as you can see right here, in the current status window, there is a tab for ongoing incidents as well as ongoing maintenance. And over here we have an incident going on. Before we get into that though, I'm going to click on just the ongoing maintenance to see if there's any maintenance happening as well. So any scheduled maintenance will be reported here, and there currently isn't any. So clearly the reason why that's it, my Salesforce is having issues logging in is because of this incident. So it just says a service disruption, gives a whole bunch of different instances, and the services are affected. So I can actually click on this ID, and this gives me a huge list of all the different servers that are down, what services are impacted, and then it kind of gives a little quick explanation as to what's going on. It even says the start time, how long it's been down for. And over here, you kind of see the incident history of what's going on. And as you can see, it says end users are unable to access the service, which is why I can't log in. So if you guys ever have, for some reason, Salesforce is down and you're not sure if it's actually down or maybe it's just you, you can go to this website, and I'll link that down below so you can have easy access to it as well. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, about how often Salesforce goes down, or if this happened to you before and it was actually just your internet, leave a comment down below. All right, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.